Credit Detailer Credit Repair Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Welcome to our full review of Credit Detailer. All links to the product are provided in the description below. Credit Detailer is a desktop-based credit repair software designed primarily for professionals and agencies who want full control over the dispute process without relying on cloud-based platforms. It's built for users who prefer to work locally, making it a great fit for those concerned about online data security or who want a one-time software purchase instead of recurring monthly fees. Credit Detailer allows you to import credit reports from all three major bureaus using formats like PDF or plain text. Then it automatically identifies negative items and generates dispute letters based on pre-loaded templates, which are fully customizable. It includes a wide range of letter types, including 609 disputes, debt validation requests, goodwill letters, and more, giving professionals the flexibility to handle nearly every type of credit issue. The platform also supports client profile management, document storage, and progress tracking, all from your own machine. One major strength is its pricing model. It's a one-time purchase, making it very cost-effective over time, especially for small businesses and consultants. It also doesn't require third-party integrations to function, which keeps your workflow simple and fully under your control. However, it's not without weaknesses. Because it's desktop software, it lacks cloud access, real-time collaboration, and mobile functionality. It's also PC-only, so Mac users will need a workaround. The interface feels a bit dated compared to modern SaaS tools, and there's no built-in credit monitoring integration, meaning you'll need to manually input or import reports. Customer support is available, but limited to business hours and email-based help. Overall, Credit Detailer is best suited for credit repair pros or DIYers who want an affordable offline solution with full control over their data and workflow. It's not the flashiest software, but it's reliable, functional, and gets the job done. If you're looking for a solid desktop tool with no monthly fees, Credit Detailer is worth checking out. Links to download and pricing are in the description below.